Bonnie was referred to SOS by her contractor when he came across mold while remodeling her kitchen. Because he isn't certified to remove mold, he relies on SOS to handle this aspect of the job for him while he focuses on completing his other projects on time. SOS scheduled to have a mold removal contractor complete the mold remediation work at Bonnie's condo, as well as for a testing lab to complete mold clearance testing. Once the mold clearance testing was achieved, SOS contacted Bonnie's contractor immediately so that he could continue with his remodel project at Bonnie's home. If you are a plumber or a contractor and you come across mold on a job but just don't have time to deal with it, or you're not certified or insured to remove it, call SOS Solutions today for free help in managing this for you. Let SOS help you so that you can focus on what you do best while you trust SOS to do what we do best. Call SOS Solutions today at 1-888-589-1868.